All right. Uh, I'm going to continue from where we stopped in the last video, and in this video, I'm going to be setting up the wings, the stabilizers, based on the airfoils we're going to create. There was this document that I got. Where are you? Okay, this is just data about the C-130 aircraft, and I need to get the airfoil names so that I can plot them in Java file and use the data back in Unity. Let me start up my Java file application. Okay, so the wing airfoil, according to this, is the NACA 64A 318. So I've already created that, so I'm going to open it up. 648318. Alright, so I'll go to Puller, make sure that the first and last Reynolds number is 100,000. Then I'm going to do a full 360 degree sweep. So I'll start from minus 180 degrees and stop at plus 180 degrees. Then I analyze, wait for the data to be complete. So I'm going to save this as a plot. So I'll save it as like 64A 318.afl. Save. Then the horizontal tail uses an inverted marker 23012. I'm going to open that up in Java 4. Okay, I go to pull out the same settings, I analyze, then I save on that plot again as like 23012 I for inverted AFL. Save. Now the vertical tail uses NACA 64A015. So I'll also open that in Java 4. Then go to Polar, the same settings, analyze, I save, and upload, NACA 64A015. Okay, so I go back to Unity. Then I go to my menu, wing for, then I go to create. So I'll create from raw data because I've not adjusted any of the values or variables in Microsoft Excel. So the first one I'm going to be creating is the wing airfoil, which is 64A318. So let me use default shape since I'm not really interested in the shape. Then I select the performance file. I go to my desktop, airfoils, plots, 64A318. I think I made a mistake. I did not save this. Alright, I did not add my extension. That is very important. AFL, save. Then I can close my Java file application. So I've assigned this, so I click create wing for, and that creates this airfoil that I will use for the wings. The next is the horizontal tail 23012i. Using the same default shape, then I select the new performance data. Performance plot 231i. I create wing form. I create this. Then the last one, which is the vertical tail, that's like a 64A 015. I select the performance file Airfoil plots 015. Then I create the wing form. That creates this. Okay. So I can close the window now, and I think I should save the scene. So I'm going to move this into these folders and call them Airfoils. I mean, the three of them, and move them into this new folder. Alright, so I'm going to end the video here and continue the wing setup in the next video. Alright.